in this series, I'm going to talk one wonderful important topic. My job is, my next level job is not this delegation. Not this delegation. My next level, peak level kind of thing is I want to create clone of myself. In what way I'm thinking, in what way I'm doing the things. I want to create clone of myself. Almost around 20 or 25 members. In what way Durga Sir is thinking, in what way Durga Sir is doing, in what way I require to create clone at a time. 20 or 25 Durga Sirs are working. Can you please imagine once? Is it possible, right? Possible. Take a person, train what activities you are doing, train that person. Train in what way you are thinking. Yes, this is the way you require to think, ma'am. This is the process document. If this is the case, these are the things what we require to have. If I can create clone of myself, that clone is going to create another clone, 25 Durga Sirs are working together. Then obviously, can you please imagine once how the growth will be?